According to the question, a ball is thrown vertically upward with velocity of 49 meter per second. So this will be the initial velocity. At maximum height, the ball stops. So final velocity will be 0. That means v is equal to 0. And here the acceleration is negative as we throw the ball in upward direction. And it will be minus 9.8 meter per second square. Question is, calculate the maximum height. So for this we will use the equation v square minus u square equal to twice gh. So now we will substitute the value of initial velocity, final velocity and acceleration due to gravity in this equation, and after substituting all this value we will get the maximum height reached by the ball, and it is 122.5 meter. Next is the total time taken by the ball to return to the surface of earth. So to calculate the value of t, we will use the equation v is equal to u plus gt. Then we substitute the value of u, v and g, and we will get the value of time, and it is 5 seconds. This time is the time taken by the ball to reach the maximum height. That means the ball will take 5 seconds to reach the maximum height. We already calculate the time taken by the ball to reach the maximum height, and we get it as 5 seconds. Now the ball takes the same time to reach the ground from maximum height. As we know that time of ascent is equal to time of descent. So total time will be add up, time of ascent plus time of descent. So it is 5 plus 5 seconds means 10 seconds. That means the ball will reach the ground after 10 seconds. In the question it is given that the stone is released from a tower of height 19.6 meter. So here the height will be 19.6 meter. When it is dropped, the initial velocity will be considered as 0. So u will be 0, and the acceleration produced in the stone will be due to acceleration gravity, and it will be 9.8 meter per second square as it is falling downward. So according to question, calculate the final velocity. So we will use the equation v square minus u square equal to twice gh. Now substituting the value of initial velocity, acceleration due to gravity and the height, we will get the value of the final velocity, and it is 19.8 meter per second. In the question it is given that stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 40 meter per second. So this will be the value of initial velocity. When the stone reaches the maximum height, the final velocity becomes 0. So v will be 0. And here it is given, consider the value of acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square. As the object is thrown vertically upward, the value of acceleration due to gravity will be negative. Now calculate the net displacement and total distance covered. So to calculate the distance covered, we will use the equation v square minus u square equal to twice gh. Now we will substitute the value of initial velocity, final velocity and acceleration due to gravity. So we will get the distance covered, and it is 80 meter per second. Now the stone returned back to the earth. So here the initial and the final point is same. So the net displacement will be 0. And here the total distance covered will be 80 meter plus 80 meter, and we will get it is 160 meter.